Welcome, here I've got OPPO Reno4 Pro and I'm gonna show you how to change aspect ratio in the camera app at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner. When we pick this we get access to more buttons we can manage. For now let's focus on this one from the left with the camera frame. This is the aspect ratio. For now it is 4:3 ratio, so this is how it looks like. When I tap on this, as you can see, the background has changed to 1:1, so this is the square one. By tapping on this once again we go to the full ratio, full frame of the camera, and this is how it looks like. And once again we go to 16:9, so this is a little bit shorter than the full but longer than 4:3, and once again we go again to 4:3, the original one. And this is how to change this. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.